life neath a huge flat rock. By huge I mean the size of a car. Lots of room to roam and explore, yet he never ventures too far. He dines on tundra crayfish from his Susquehanna River lair, putting a dent in crustacean nation, invasive species beware. Hector's his name and we're told he came, born and raised at the old Bronx Zoo. Largest of the salamander clan, the state's official amphibian too. Gentle giant of the Susquehanna, Hector never poses a threat. Just your average humble hellbender, happy to stay slimy and wet. Happy to stay slimy and wet.